Alright guys, so we're out at a local park today doing some herping. Brought my partner.
Yeah.
Liam?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do out here, Liam?
Find animals.
Find some animals. We're gonna look at some native wildlife, so.
It is cold out here.
Yeah, it's kinda cold. But we're gonna go back in the woods, look around, and I'll update y'all if we can find anything. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
So right now we're looking under some dead trees, some limbs, rocks, seeing what we can find.
I found an egg.
All right, we're gonna move this log over. All right, look underneath it.
Looks like there's nothing on me. And there's a big log. Look at that big crocodile.
What do you think about that?
I don't know.
It's pretty cool?
Yeah.
What do you think about being back here in the woods?
How you doing?
It's kind of good. Do you like it?
Look, looks like poop.
Let's see.
It looks like
I think that's dirt.
It looks like poop to me.
I think we got some dirt. All right, look, I see some good spots over here we can check. And we'll check back with y'all in a minute. Let's see if we can find something out here.
No.
No, it's pretty good. All right, my turn. Go across this bridge. AKA dead log. Okay, this spot looks promising. What do you think, Liam?
There's a big one right there.
Big what?
Big one.
A big log? We should flip it.
No, big one.
Think I can do it?
Yeah. The big one.
All right, get ready. Look under it.
I go back here.
So we found this pretty neat trail.
Yeah.
Just gonna walk back here. We've been walking on it for a while, but it's pretty.
Yeah. Really pretty.
Look at this.
Let's
Just keeps going back.
Yeah.
This might be, no, it keeps going.
Yeah.
Look. Let's go. Look at all this. Okay, so we came to a little fork in the road. We're trying to figure out which way we should go. We found this bridge. It goes up this way.
Yeah.
Or we can follow this trail and it goes down that way.
How would we
So, Liam, come here. What do you think we should do?
I don't know.
Should we take the bridge?
Take bridge.
Take the bridge? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, looks like we're taking the bridge. Let's go for it. So we're about to be back at the car. Liam, what did you think about the trip?
It was a long, path.
A long path.
Yes.
How many miles do you think we walked?
1,000.
1,000. He actually got it right. We walked 1,000 miles. No, I'm kidding. Not quite that many. We walked a few miles. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Was it a blast?
Not really.
Not really. Not really a blast, but he had fun. And we didn't have success with like finding too many critters, but we still had a lot of fun.
We only found 2 critters.
2 critters. We found 2 critters. But to me, it was successful because I got my son outside and he had fun. So, reinforced with being with the good old outdoors. So,
No one.
thank you guys for watching.
Hey, look
Oh,
at
wait.
the phone.
Oh, we'll show them the floor. Thank you guys for watching, and check back later for more fun, outdoorsy, reptile-related updates. Just as we live life and continue to make videos.
Hey,
All right,
look at the
peace.
brown